He says you have the backdrop of monetary debasement. And he says, I think that is going to be an ongoing and probably intensifying situation. You've got the perfect storm. He says, I mean, people are trying to pick tops for silver. I think they're making a big mistake. I think it could go anywhere on the upside at this point. And he believes that the U.S. dollar is going to continue to decline. He says the U.S. dollar is seriously overowned around the world. But if you look at the three factors that John Embry talked about, obviously you have the short position, you have a situation where you have monetary debasement, and on top of it, industrial demand. Harold, it's a perfect scenario for silver. For a lot of people, they don't understand why this is happening, but you need to listen to people like yourself and John Embry, Jim Sinclair, the experts. They'll definitely point you in the right direction, and this is not a false rally we're seeing in silver. This is silver really coming into its own for a multitude of different reasons.
And it's very, very exciting. Again, on a daily basis, you're seeing dollar moves in silver, which, again, is something that we told you a long time ago was going to start to happen. And, again, for those that are sitting, and there's many people sitting with 50, 60, 80,000, 100,000 ounces of silver, those are tremendous paydays. Those are people that, again, took the risk at the beginning, had the guts to make a decision to go against the norm, and now it's starting to pay off. And, again, there's not a day that goes by that my phone doesn't ring off the hook and emails going crazy of people saying that, they're doing extremely well and how happy and excited they are. Again, we're excited. You can tell it in our voices. We can't wait to get into the office in the morning and can't wait to do the radio shows on the weekend. So, again, nobody's happier for you than Randy and I. Again, it takes a lot of guts to do what we do, which is to make recommendations and predictions on markets. Nobody else will ever do that because of the fear of being wrong. But it's something that I've done for many, many years. I've been in the investment business for 35 years, and again, we do things differently than most people do. Again, very few back then would have recommended gold, silver, and diamonds, but that's the route that we decided to take, and look how it's paid off for our clients. So again, we speak to our listeners to the radio show, whether they trade or buy diamonds or whatever with us. We're here for you 100%. If you have a question, it's important, and you need it answered, just give us a call. I speak to clients and listeners all day long, and it doesn't matter whether you're a small investor or a large investor. Your money is extremely important, and all we want to do is make sure that you're doing the right thing. So again, as far as market timing or what you should be doing or where you should have your money, just get in contact with us. And again, all we want to do is make sure that you're doing the right thing.
You can connect with Harold. You can give him a call at 1-800-432-1022. You can speak with him about diamonds. You can pick his brain about investments. 1-800-432-1022, the website rarecoloreddiamonds.com, to invest in precious metals. The telephone number is 1-866-623-2002. Harold only recommends one company, that is Worldwide Precious Metals. They are the only people to deal with. We have an article. Get the newsletter this week. It is actually a week where we don't have as much information due to the long weekend, but the information we do have is amazing. We have a story from Reuters and how gold went from $251 to $1,500. You can actually take a look at it. It's amazing. Howard Ruff came out this week, said gold will go to $2,300, and he said silver will go to $100. Also, Jim Sinclair said we are on the threshold of the phenomenon of 1979. Gold is ready to go parabolic. 1650 will fall like it did not exist. A lot of people very bullish on precious metals, and for all the different reasons that we've outlined on the show today. And if you want to go through it in more detail, obviously connect with Worldwide Precious Metals. Get our newsletter, wwpmc.com, telephone number 1-866-623-2002. And Harold, we have about 15 seconds left here. I hope you have a great long weekend.
Thank you very much. I want to wish everybody a wonderful Easter weekend. I hope you have a great time with your family. I want to wish all of our Jewish listeners a wonderful Passover from last week, and I wish everybody a profitable day.
Thank you, Harold. And Harold's website, rarecoloreddiamonds.com, telephone number 1-800-432-1022. And for the metals, wwpmc.com, 1-866-623-2002. That's it. Another edition of the World Financial Report on radio with Harold Siegel and me, Randy Marshall. We will talk to you next week.